Hey everybody, welcome to Chapter 2. This is your introductory video. Chapter 2 is all about behavior modification. We'll cover a lot of different information in this class that you'll find really useful. But the problem with all of it is we have to apply this information to our lives, and that's the most difficult part. We all want to be healthy. We all want to have a good lifestyle, a positive lifestyle. But the hard part is making the changes in our life. So this chapter is all about how do we change our behaviors so that we have a more healthy lifestyle. So let's look a little bit and see what we're going to do this week. So this is Chapter 2 information. You'll have a pre-test. You get to take it multiple times, so take your time and take that test until you make 100. I'll keep your highest score on it. There's a video about procrastination. All of you probably know plenty about procrastination, but it gives us some good ideas and some good tools to help us prevent from procrastinating, help us to get our life a little bit more organized with things. There's going to be a quiz about that video. There's an activity here. This is a survey about exercising control over your physical activity and nutrition, and it will help you kind of be introspective, help you look in the mirror a little bit and think about the choices that you're making and how you might make some choices that can help you. The post-test is open book. So the goal of the post-test is to get you into your book and reading the information. There's a lot of valuable information this week about behavior modification. So make sure you use your book for the post-test. It is 30% of your grade, so you'll need to make sure you do a good job on that. And the last thing from this week is the discussion. And this discussion, you're going to list a behavior that you would like to change, and then you're going to have a plan. You're going to submit a plan for how you want to make that change. So the more detailed you are with this, the easier it's going to be. So just pick one thing in your life where you feel like you could do better with it, and then list it as the behavior you want to change, and then give us a real detailed plan of how you want to do that. One of the things may be that you might smoke cigarettes, and if you want to quit smoking cigarettes, you need a plan for doing that. And one of the things that you might try that's pretty popular these days is you might go from smoking cigarettes to using a vape. So you may take that step, and then after 6 months or so of getting off of cigarettes and being on a vape, then you may start to take the steps to get off of vape. But that's a pretty popular way to quit smoking. It is a detailed plan, and it's something that a lot of people are doing that does improve their overall health. So make sure you list a behavior and you list a plan, and then start taking the steps to work that plan so that you have a more healthy lifestyle. If you have any questions this week, let me know. Good luck.